trying so hard not to cuss. I need to put the second one on, don't I? Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Madelaine. So as you saw in a previous video during my Shoppers makeup haul, and these eyelashes here, the QUO Full Eyelash Kit was a part of that. I'm actually going to try putting them on today for the first time. I've never worn false eyelashes, so please bear with me and I apologize if I offend. Ooh, that's a snap. That's just... As you can see, I'm off to a very good start on handling things. Okay, oh my god. I'm so scared. I like them. They're nice. So I hope they're gonna be like fairly subtle, because like I don't need to go glam to the gods for this video. I just need to try and put on eyelashes. I've already done simple makeup and I already put on mascara. So oh my god, I'm so scared. I am literally just going based off of memory on all of this. So if I do anything wrong, please let me know, but be kind about it. Be gentle. So the main instructions are just keep away from children. I am a child. So from what I've seen, you're supposed to like take these off with... Ah! Oh, I'm so worried I'm gonna like break them. Oh, they're already sticky. Do I need this? I don't want to... I'm gonna do it properly. I'll use the glue. So I just spilled glue. Maybe I am the children. Okay, and it said something about blowing it. Letting it get tacky. I don't know when that's gonna be. Okay, I think it's ready. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Now I think I'm supposed to like hold it with... Oh my god, what do I do with myself? Send help. How am I supposed to put this on? I don't think I'm doing this right. Oh my god. So hard. Do I need more glue? Still sticky. I did not think it would be that difficult. I legit did not think that. You know what? I'm going to try the other eyelash instead. Because maybe I just need a fresh start, you know? That's all. Oh god. I don't think the glue is dried enough. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Huh? It's not perfect, but it's staying. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, calm down. Calm down, Madeline. You got this. You got this. You don't got this. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so proud of myself. Holy damn. I think. Ha! It's not perfect. I think I did the glue a little weird because like my eyes like, but I got this far. I'm gonna count this as much of a victory as it can be counted. I need to put the second one on, don't I? Okay, here goes. I'm so scared. I don't want to do this. Trying so hard not to cuss. Oh my god. Okay. This was my attempt at putting on false eyelashes for the first time. For people who can put on false lashes, y'all are witches, for one, and I'm impressed, for two. I might never do this again. If in the future you somehow see me rocking false eyelashes properly, please do not bring up the past. Pretend this never happened. I genuinely feel sad. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any pointers, just put them down there. I need as many tips as I can get. For now, I guess, if you like the video, like the video. If you like me, subscribe. Bye.